Arctic Wolf Managed Security Awareness is a comprehensive solution designed to help educate employees and end human risk. Using micro-learning sessions, this program delivers frequent, easy-to-consume content that prioritizes engagement and drives behavior change. The Managed Security Awareness Dashboard provides statistical insights around session completion rates, quiz scores, and simulations, along with an overall security culture score. These metrics give you one option to measure the effectiveness of the program. However, there are also more extensive reporting capabilities. Under Reports, the initial screen presents each of the available reports that can be generated and downloaded daily. As an example, the Security Awareness Program's status report shows an overview of the active users, total sessions sent, and total phishing simulations, with illustrations that highlight session and quiz status, including not started, in progress, and completed. The report also provides more detail for the last 3 sessions and quizzes, as well as the remediation results and phishing simulations. There is also the option to look back at reports generated over the past 12 months. In this example, the Trends report provides insights into how users are interacting with sessions, performing on quizzes, and reacting to phishing simulations over time. Arctic Wolf's Security Awareness Program delivers engaging content and nurtures a strong security culture. On-demand reporting provides detailed metrics and insights with up to 12 months of historical data. With trained and prepared employees, your organization can neutralize attacks and work towards ending human risk.